all kinds of odds and ends jewelry.
Oh,
For the whole box.
$2 for the whole box. Seems like a good deal. Can't really tell. Ooh. Probably for $2. Just get it.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Cameos and stuff.
Yeah.
You like cameos?
I do like cameos.
Here's some other novelty kind of stuff. Here's some serious.
Oh, yeah, let's look at that one.
Oh, that's pretty
That's like
too.
a Sherman or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, she collects the Sherman.
Oh, you might really be interested in
is
this
Sherman.
then.
Oh, is that one Sherman too?
Yep. Wow. It's pretty pricey.
Those.
This one I can't
Got
remember.
some quality costumes.
Yeah, these are really nice.
Oh, yeah. Some gold.
Oh,
Are
it's
you
so
negotiable on your
tiny.
prices?
A little. Oh, come on.
That's pretty.
Those are a little tangled at the moment.
Oh, look at that brooch, that $40 one. You don't think that is? No.
No,
Oh, I
And
don't think
those
that-
earrings?
look at this one.
Yeah, I wondered
This
if that
is
was
It's the snowflake.
coral.
Coro.
Yeah.
That's the other one that you sort of
Yeah.
collect Coro a little bit.
That's really pretty. I like it that they're so big.
And what about those earrings right there?
Here,
I don't think they're Sherman.
Don't think so?
they're not marked. They're very pretty though. What about this here?
Tub and the brochure.
Can you
Sure.
hold
Yeah, I'll
some?
hold those for you.
Sure. So is this one marked? I don't think so.
I should have written them down. I thought I would remember.
No, I don't think this.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, did you find something?
Sherman.
Oh, it is. So this kind of matches that bracelet, doesn't it?
Kind of.
Oh,
It's got attacked by a leaf.
yeah, it does match that bracelet.
So that's
yeah.
That's a set.
Yeah, I think so. It sure looks a lot alike.
if you're interested, 100, make it 100 and 150
For everything?
for these two.
What's the price on them?
175.
50. Okay, 150. And then what else do I have there?
You have a 10 and a 60.
And what's that
oh,
bracelet?
and the bracelet too.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay.
So let's
start over.
Yeah,
again.
yeah. Oh, cufflinks. Those earrings might be sterling. Is that a loonie made into a pin?
This is worth at least $1.
At least. Unmarked, so this is not. Oh, look at that one.
Ooh.
I need that.
Sparkly.
Is it ever? Oh, it's marked.
I was just gonna say, I'm surprised it's not marked, but maybe it is. Is it Sherman?
Yeah.
No way.
Right here. Can you see it?
Yep.
I don't know if I'm getting a good angle for
Unbelievable.
you, but look at that. Oh my God. Well, best day ever. Oh, these pearls
Those don't
are,
look real.
no. And the clasp is broken, but they are knotted in between, so they are, and I think they're glass.
Oh. Oh yeah, you're right. They are heavy.
So I don't know. So I guess everything 50 cents a
50
bag?
cents a bag?
Yeah, I'm assuming. It's a good price. That's the first mosquito I've seen this year, I think.
Yeah.
It's been a good year so far. Wouldn't it be nice if mosquitoes could get COVID and die? Those are glass.
Yep, yeah, those are nice.
50 cents.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. Okay. I wonder what this is. These bells on here are kind of old. They remind me of our camel bells.
Oh yeah.
But is that supposed to be a necklace? That would be terrible. To walk around with that. I think somebody just likes bells. I found this one too.
The money thing has to be closed.
I think it has a engraving. I'll look closer when. But I think it's silver. It's $2 as well. So I'll get that one other one and get that.
Because I want you to buy this.
I know. It's like every woman's dream to have their man encourage them to buy things.
Please buy that.